Hey there mga my love, Sagittarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan na reading ninyo, our content nga is this. What does this person wants from you? So you may think of a specific person right now or maybe kahit wala. So let's see, no? This is someone here connecting to your energy. What is this person's true feelings and intentions to you? Or kung ano ba tong gusto niya from you guys, no? So, let's see who is this person right here. But for those na merong specific person, you may focus on that person right now or while shuffling the cards. So, let's see. Let's go ahead and check this. Spirits and angel guides, thank you so much. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please show me what does this person wants from Saji, please? This is for Sagittarius people. Who is this person that you're dealing with and what is this person wants from Sagittarius? What are their true feelings and emotions for Sagittarius, please? Okay, so let's see Saji. Ano bang mga mensahe dito ng person na to for you guys? First energy, we've got the Five of Wands energy. Looks like there's a block of communication right here. Or this person could probably be restricted. No, like literally, restricted ito sa inyong calls, text messages, pwedeng social media accounts. Sa iba mukhang nirestrict nyo na siya sa buhay nyo. Ganun yung energy rito. No? At parang hindi lang naman kayo yung parang imbure na sa kanya. No? Kasi pwedeng meron din talagang mga ibang tao around you, which is I do feel like na mga close to you na ayaw sa kanya. But this person's intention is, nag-iisip siya ng strategy to the point that this person is gaining some kind of truth and clarity right here. So, meron siya ritong na nare-receive na mga messages and I do feel like these are the messages coming from his or her guardians right here, angels and spirit guides, no? So this person is gathering right here some kind of ways kung paano mo siya maa-unblock rito or kung paano mo siya kakausapin. Kasi parang this person wants na kahit makinig ka na lang, kahit pakinggan mo na lang siya. Kasi parang meron siyang nare-receive dito na mga spiritual message, no, na nagtutulak rito upang siya ay lumapit sa'yo. So, I don't know what exactly happened between you and this person right here, but there could probably be ghosting. So, pwedeng bigla siyang nawala bigla in the past, no, or pwedeng iniwan ka niya sa ere, no, at some sort. So, this is somewhat here general reading, but I'm picking up that, so minention natin. So, nakikita ko naghahanap siya rito ng paraan no, kung paano. Kasi, see, sabi ko sa'yo seryoso siya rito naghahanap ng paraan kasi we've got here 2 aces. Gusto niya ng new beginning right here. Actually, gusto niya ng new beginning right here sa kanyang life in general. So, kung hindi mo na siya tatanggapin, nakukuha ko rito na this person left no choice but to accept that. But this person, sumasabay siya rito sa pagbabago. So, ibig sabihin, nagkakaroon ng positibong effect ano man yung nare-receive niya from his or her angel guides right here. Kasi dinadala siya rito papunta sa'yo. Parang ang sinasabi niya is, kailangan kong humingi ng sorry, makausap, or mabigyan ng kaliwanagan si Sagittarius para makapagsimula na ako ulit sa life ko. Pero this person will offer you something big, yan, no? Kasi gusto naman talaga niya, no, na magkaayos kayong dalawa to the level na tanggapin mo siya ulit, you bring back whatever it is na naging connection niyo, whether that's friendship, whether that's partnership or relationship pa nga, no, gusto niyo bumalik kayo sa dati, pero kung hindi mo na siya tatanggapin, magka-come forward pa rin siya. Kasi alam niyang kailangan niyang gawin yun. Kasi gusto niya rito magsimula ng panibago sa buhay niya in general. So, nasa sa inyo yun kung kakausapin niyo siya mga babes. But this person is bringing in some kind of 3. I'm seeing 3 messages right here already, no, that is confirming na itong tao na 'to is gusto talaga niya 'no, seryoso na siya dito sa pagbabago na 'to sa buhay niya. So, nakakuha tayo rito ng nagle-level up or tumataas rito 'no, yung maturity niya. So, ibig sabihin 'no, talagang magiging totoo ang pakikipag-ayos at lahat ng sasabihin niya ay paninindigan niya. So, pero nasa inyo pa rin 'yan, sabi ko nga sa inyo 'no, this is a general reading right here, but what this person's intention as what I'm seeing from this, nakita ko rito na gusto niya rito na kausapin ka, no, kahit makinig ka man lang, no. Kasi lahat ng sasabihin niya ay manggagaling rito, no, sa kanyang heart. Yun ang nakikita ko. So, ibig sabihin, no, wala itong halo ritong bahid ng pagkukunwari kasi dito ay tinatanggap niya ng maluwag no, yung mga mensahe rito ng spirits and angel guides sa kanyang life. No? Ginaguide siya rito papunta rin sa new beginning ng life niya. At alam niya no, na maaring ikaw ay nasaktan niya or nakagawa siya ng hindi maganda sa iyo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, maaring kayo ay iniwan nito sa ere or ginost niya kayo or blinak niya kayo, whatever it is na nangyari noon. But this person is wanting to come clean towards you, clean the air with you guys. So if you are willing to accept the friendship, this person will be grateful to know that, no? Sobrang magiging masaya siya dyan. Pero kung hindi mo siya tatanggapin, this person will accept that as well because this is the consequences of what he or she had done with you. See? Ten of Cups energy, sabi ko sa'yo, totoo na to. Galing talaga to dun sa kanyang damdamin at saka ilaliman ng kanyang puso, no? Kung hihingi siya ng kapatawaran sa'yo, Saji, nakita ko na ito ay tunay at totoo, no? Gusto niya ulit na ibalik. Kung may pamilya man kayo, no? Kung ex mo to or ex-husband or ex-boyfriend, ex-wife, ex-girlfriend, or whatever the case may be, wala tayong gender dito, timeless din to. This person wants to hold your hand. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, no, pwedeng iniwan niya kayo sa ere noon, no, pero ngayon ayaw niya na kayong bitiwan. See? I'm also getting the word duwag right here. So, pwedeng naging duwag rin siya, kaya maaaring iniwan niya kayo sa ere before. Pero ngayon, ready na siyang panindigan ito, no? See? Being guided siya ng mga angels and spirit guides. That statue, no, sa background, no, is a symbol right here, no, na talagang siya ay ginaguide dito pabalik sa'yo. And with the trees in the background, nakita ko rito that this person wants to bring stability with you guys, no. At dito, willing na talaga siya rito, no, na talagang i-provide dito yung mga hindi lang needs mo, no, kundi pati wants na rin, no, para mag-work ng relationship ninyo. But I repeat, this is not just about love and relationship na romantic, no? Sa iba kasi pwedeng ito ay friendship na nasira, no? Because of what had happened in the past, this person wants to bring it back. Yan, no? So, I can see seriousness coming from this person. And yeah, see? King of Cups energy right here. This person is really in tune with his or her spirituality, no? Whatever ang lalabas dito sa boses niya or sasabihin niya sa'yo is talagang totoo at nanggagaling rito sa kanyang puso, no? Kung sino man tong person na to, no, nakataas dito ang kanyang cup of love, no? And we do all know that the King of Cups is someone here emotionally available right here. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, nakita ko yung word na duwag, no? Pero ngayon, willing na siyang panindigan ito, no? Because this person wants this new beginning right here, which is yung talagang solid na talaga. Yeah. So, whoever this individual is, I'm seeing na nagle-level up siya, especially sa mga maturity, no? Area sa kanyang life. At alam niya rito na nagkaroon siya rito, no, ng pagkakamali sa'yo na gusto niya ritong itama. So, yeah, this person strategizing, no, kung anong ways ang gagawin niya rito, no, para siya ay makalapit sa'yo. So, hoping siya and praying na sana ay mag-reach out ka sa kanya, no. Hindi siya lalapit dito ng lalapit lang. Nakikita ko rito na meron siya ritong gagawin. Baka may bit-bit pa nga siya rito. Baka something na favorite mo or you like, no. But hindi yun isang bribe or hindi yun isang meaning na bibigay niya yun kasi para tanggapin mo siya. Hindi, no? Kundi isa lang yun mga babes, no, na para ritong way niya. Parte lang yun ng way niya rito, no? Nadadalhin niya yun. Parang peace offering ganun, no? Pero hindi ibig sabihin na yun ay bribe. Okay? If you know what I mean. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, this is general reading over here. See? Definitely, there's a block of communication. She restricted siya rito, no? At mukhang hindi nga lang talaga ikaw yung nagawa niya rito ng pagkakamali. So, pwedeng nainis rin yung mga people around you with whoever is this. But I'm picking up that this person, gusto niya ritong maalis tong harang na to. Hindi makausap ka man lang niya. No? So, expect this person, kung alam niyo yung house niyo or kung saan kayo nag-work, this person might pop out there. Okay? Or this person will somehow do something. No? Kasi hindi ko nakikita na hanggang message, hanggang tawag lang to or hanggang text lang. No? Hindi. This person is actually wanting this Nine of Cups. See, you've got the Nine of Cups, you've got the Ten of Cups right here. For others of you, you could be married with this person right here, but doesn't have to be. But this symbolizes commitment, like close kayo noon. So, kung sino man siya, whether siya ay best friend or friend mo, no, or asawa mo, whatever, this person wants this talagang tunay na pag-aayos. Kasi, with the Four of Swords energy, this person is receiving a lot of messages from the divine and it brings healing and this person wants to heal this connection with you, Sagittarius. But then again, it's still up with you guys, know whether you're gonna listen with this person, but this person who is ready to accept ano man na maging judgment mo here. So, thank you so much, Sagittarius. Sana ngayong level light. Have a nice day. Annyeong!